Good day, grade 6. Good day, mga kamatuto. Welcome to our channel. This is Maestro Matuto. But before I proceed to our lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mathematics video. New episode na naman. Mathematics 6, Quarter 1, Week 5. Multiplication of numbers with two decimal place factors. After going through this lesson, you are expected to multiply decimals and mix decimals places. To multiply decimals and mix numbers up to two decimals places. Let's start. Solve it mentally. 25 times 10. What's the answer? 250, correct. 25 times 100. Very good. 2,500. Next. 25 times 1,000. Correct. 25 thousands. In multiplying a decimal by another decimal, you can multiply them as if they are whole numbers. For example, 1 and 52 tenths times 2 and 5 tenths. In multiplying a decimal by another decimals, you can multiply them as if they are whole numbers. In this case, multiply as if they are whole numbers. So, multiply first the last digit. So, we have 2 times 5 is 10. So, 5 times 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. And then 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. So we have 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer, so 0, bring down 0. So 6 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 carry 1. So 1 plus 0 is 0. Bring down 3. So we're going to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4 until we get the decimal point. So the same with the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and add decimal point. In this case, we have 4 decimal places. So the answer or the final answer is 3 and 116 thousandths. Alright, Sophia spent 0 or 0.58 tenths hours sewing an apron and 0.3 tenths times as much to put the finishing touches on it. How long did it take her to do the finishing touches? In step 1, ignore the decimal points and multiply as if they are whole numbers. So in this case, we have 174. Count from right to left to the decimal point. Add zeros if needed. So we're going to count from right to left until we get the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to count. Yes, from 1, 2, 3, 4. It took Sophia 2.0 174,000 hours to do finishing touches on the apron. What are the steps to follow in solving multiplication of numbers with two decimal place factors? He is James. In step 1, he says, Sir, in multiplying a decimal by another decimal, you can multiply as if they are whole numbers. Step 2. In placing the decimal point in product, get the sum of the number of decimal places in each factor. Yes, James, you are correct. Let's have a shout out first. Shout out to Christine Ilagan, John Rex Bagsig, and Giselle Ciores. You can follow her at her TikTok. Have you ever tried to rent a beach house? Share your experience at the beach house. Comment in the comment box below. Now, let's solve a problem. Math challenge! A beach house rents for 1,550 a day. How much will Mr. C pay if his family stays for 5 days? This is Maestro Matuto. Leaves you a thought. Keep on study and your life will be happy. See you next week. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and you may write your comment on the comment box below. Bye-bye!